Hello students, today we are going to learn new chapter, that is chapter number 11, measurement. In this video we will learn about length, how to measure the objects and other things with the help of measuring tape and scale. Points to remember: a ruler, a measuring tape are the devices for measuring length, breadth, height, depth and thickness. Millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer are the units of measuring length. Meter is the standard unit of measuring length. Centimeter is written in short as cm. Millimeter is written in short as mm. Meter is written in short as m. Kilometer is written in short as km. Students, these points you will copy in your notebook. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called a millimeter. Students, can you see this scale? The number first is 0. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All numbers are given. Here, the distance between 0 and 1, there are small lines given over here. You can see over here. Here it is a 0 and here 1, then 2. Here bigger lines are there and some smaller lines are there. So from 0 to 1, this is centimeter. From 1 to 2, it is centimeter. In these numbers, between small lines are given. These lines indicate millimeter. So millimeter, here 10 small lines are there. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So when we count any object, when we measure any object, we will start from 0. So from 0 to 1 it is 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2 it is 2 centimeter. But if we count with millimeter, there are small lines given over here, and from 0 to 1 the small lines are 10, and from 1 to 2 the small lines are 10. Same way, these small lines are 10 in numbers between two numbers. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now we will measure this line. We will start from the point 0 and see where it's, and the ending point is 5. So the length of this line is 5 centimeter. That is 5 into 10 is equal to 50 millimeter. When a ruler is held along a line with its first marking at one end of the line, then the number at the other end of the line shows the length of the line. Whenever we measure any object or any line, we will start one end with 0 and the other end of that line or object, the number which comes is the length of that object or a line. So here we start from 0 and this line ends at the number 5. So the length of this line is 5 centimeter. And if we convert this 5 centimeter into millimeter, we will multiply that number with 10. So we got here 5 into 10 is equal to 50 millimeter. How many millimeter is 7 centimeter? So if we want to convert this 7 centimeter into millimeter, we will multiply 7 into 10. So we will get the answer 70. So 7 centimeter is equal to 70 millimeter. Measuring the length of a line in centimeter and millimeters. Now your line is given and we will start from 0. One end of the line we will start from 0 and see where this line ended, the other end. Here after 7 small 5 lines are there. So the length of the line shown above is 7 centimeter and 5 millimeters. As the small lines indicate millimeter, we will count the small lines and it ends after 5. So the length of this line is 7 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Students, we measure the length of the table, pencil, eraser, etc. with a ruler. To measure the length of sari or dupatta, measuring tape is used. Meter is the standard unit of measuring length. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeter. Same way, 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeter. 700 centimeter is equal to 7 meters. 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeter. Introducing kilometer. Kilo means 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. When you travel by bus or car going from Pune to Satara, you might have seen a stone on the side of the road. This shows that now you are 25 km away from Satara. Students, it is inconvenient to measure long distance in meters. They are measured in kilometers. Note, the unit millimeter is smaller than the unit centimeter. Unit centimeter is smaller than the unit meter and unit meter is smaller than the unit kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. If the units of measuring distance are bigger, the number showing the measurement becomes shorter. half, quarter and 3/4 of kilometer and meters. 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is 100 centimeter. 50 centimeter taken twice is 100 centimeter. That is 1 meter. As we have learned, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So, half of 1 meter is 50 centimeter. Half of a meter is 50 centimeter. Then 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter, we will get answer 50 centimeter. So 25 centimeter taken twice is 50 centimeter. So half of 50 centimeter is 25 centimeter. Half of half is 1/4 meter. So 1/4 of 1 meter is 25 centimeter. Now 50 centimeter plus 25 centimeter, we will get answer 75 centimeter. 50 centimeter means half a meter. 25 centimeter means 1/4 of a meter. So total of this half and 1/4, we will get 3/4 of a meter, and 3/4 of a meter is 75 centimeter. 1/2 and 1/4 makes 3/4. So 3/4 of a meter is 75 centimeter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 500 meter plus 500 meter is equal to 1000 meter. Half of 1000 is 500. Therefore, 500 meter is equal to half a kilometer. And 250 meter is equal to a 1/4 kilometer, and 750 meter is equal to 3/4 of a kilometer. Exercise. Match the following. This is column A, and we will match this column A with column B and write the correct answer next to column A. So, let us solve. Half a meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, half of 100 is 50. So, the answer is 50 centimeter. 3/4 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So, half of 1 kilometer will be 500 meter, but here it is asked 3/4. So, half of half plus half, that is 3/4. So 3/4 kilometer is 750 meters. Quarter meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Quarter of 100 is 25. So your answer will be 25 centimeter. Quarter kilometer. So here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So what is the quarter of 1000? That will be the answer for quarter kilometer. Half a kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So half of 1000 is 500. So answer will be 500 meter. 3/4 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3/4 of 100 is 75. So answer will be 75 centimeter. 3 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Same way, 3 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So what will be for 3 kilometers? 2 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 4 centimeters is equal to 40 millimeters. Same way, 4 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So what will be for 4 kilometers? 2 centimeters. If 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, so what will be the answer for 2 centimeter? So students, write a correct answer for the given blanks. Measure each object using paper clips. So students, now we will measure the given objects with the help of the paper clips. So to measure this spoon, we will require how many paper clips? We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we require 7 paper clips. Next object is pin. So we will count how many paper clips required to measure pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we require 4 paper clips. Remaining objects you will measure with the help of paper clips and write the correct answer in the box. Measure each object using blocks. So here we will measure all the objects using blocks. So first we will measure the candy and see how many blocks we need to measure this candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have measured 9 blocks for this candy. Now we will measure these birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have measured for birds, we got 5 blocks. Remaining object, you will find out how many blocks we required. Now we will measure the object by using scale. So whenever we measure any object with scale, we will start from 0 and see where the other end of that object is ending on the scale. So your pencil is there. We start from 0 and the other end ends at the number 15. So the measurement of this scale is 15 centimeter. Now we will measure this glue. It ends at 7.5. So the measurement of this glue is 7.5 centimeter. Same way, look at this spoon. It ends at which number? Can you find it? Write the correct answer. Same way, we will measure this comb. It ends at which number? And write the correct answer. Same way for crayon. See the marking where the crayons end and write the correct answer in the blank. Thank you.